Welcome to our tactics exercises. In this exercise we will work with the flash sequence. First of all, you need to download and install the gammaStar simulation and image reconstruction backends, which is needed to perform this exercise. Therefore, head over to the gammaStar website and navigate to the Fraunhofer GitHub repository as shown in the video. Next, you need to download the zip files as demonstrated here. Finally, extract the contents of the zip file to a place of your choice. You now need to start up the Docker engine and then double-click the build batch file to initiate the container building process. This will build the simulation environment and reconstruction environment in two separate containers. Wait until the process has finished. This may take a while as different phantom data is downloaded during the process. Finally, we start the simulation backend as shown in this video. Now head over to the gammaStar website and open the flash sequence. You will see a plot of the sequence. From the Protocol tab, you can look at various protocol parameters that are available for the sequence. If you want to change a parameter, just click on the respective field and click Apply Protocol. On the Execution tab, you can click on the Quick Add device for the simulation part and then send the sequence to the reconstruction server. You will see a simulated and reconstructed image, and you can scroll through the various reconstruction steps which were applied for this sequence. Now it's your turn to play around with the Flash protocol parameters. Stop the video at this point and try to create these image contrasts on your own. The solutions will be demonstrated afterwards. If you want to create a T1 weighted image, you need to select a short echo time, TE, and a short repetition time, TR. For the T2 star weighted contrast, you need to select a long echo time, TE, and a long repetition time, TR. If you want to create aliasing artifacts, the field of view needs to be smaller than the object that you are actually measuring. And for the poor signal contrast, you need to select a flip angle which is larger than 25 degrees in this case. Explanations for all of these types of image contrasts and artifacts can be found in the lectures.